Hi students, welcome to our channel Study with Posalla. Today I came with another new problem. Okay. 1 మరియు 100 మధ్యనున్న సహజ సంఖ్యలలో 3 గుణిజముల మొత్తం ఎంత? 1 to 100 the natural numbers, what are the three multiple factors? Okay. First 1 to 100. 1 to 100 natural numbers. Okay, so in this 3 గుణిజములు మొత్తం, it means 3 factors, 3 9, so 3 6 9 and so on up to 99. Okay, so in this a equal to 3 and d equal to second minus first one. 6 minus 3 3, 9 minus 6 3, so the distance is d equal to 3. Okay, formula L equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. A equal to 3 plus n minus 1 into d means 3. L is 99, the last number. 99 minus 3, 96 equal to 3 into n minus 1. n minus 1 equal to 96 by 3. 3 3s are 3 2s are 32. n minus 1 equal to 32. n equal to 32 plus 1 33. This is the answer. Okay, this is n equal to 33. But we want to చూడు 3 గుణిజములు మొత్తం ఎంత అన్నారు. ఓకే, సో we find s 33 equal to formula n into a plus l by 2. So n equal to 33, a equal to 3 plus l, last number 99 by 2. 33 into 99 plus 3 102 by 2. 2 1s are 2 5s are 2 1s are 2. 33 into 51 equal to 1683 is the answer. For more videos, like, share and subscribe.